Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these floating head 80s style portraits. I've recently did this for family members and friends and they absolutely love it. And they've been asking me ever since to show them how to do it, so I'm going to share it with everyone so you can make your own. So first things first, open up your phone and go ahead and click on your camera app and then take a shot of your feet. No, go to the portrait mode. Then select Stage Light Mono and then turn the camera around and start making cheesy faces. Look at that meathead. The first picture you're going to take is one straight on, and when you like it, go ahead and save it. And the second picture you're going to take is of a sideways view, or the profile view. So go ahead. I know it's kind of hard doing a selfie, but do your best glamour shot there. Oh, open your mouth a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Now that you've got your two shots, your front view and your profile view, you're done with the camera, so you don't have to look at me anymore. So now you're going to go to an app called Bazaart, or Bazaart. It's free, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have this opened up, go ahead and click on that red button with the plus mark at the bottom. Click on Start from Scratch, and then at the bottom of the screen there's going to be a menu. Just slide it to the right and choose your size. I always choose the square one so I can put it on social media or send it to friends. But do what you want. Choose whatever size you would like. The next step is to change your background to black. Because of these portraits, the background is black anyways, and it will blend right in. After your background is black, we're going to choose those fun pictures you took. So go ahead and click on Photos on the left-hand bottom corner. Choose the fun photo you'd like to add. Alright, now that they're in there, it's time to size them to make sure that they look right. So go ahead and click on the photo and drag it to the right size. When the first one is placed perfect, that looks perfect, doesn't it? You're going to choose your second photo, the profile pic. So you're going to click on Photos again, you're going to choose that profile pic, it's going to be placed in there, and then you're going to move it around. Bazaart works in layers, so this one will actually be in front of the first picture that you placed. So you'll need to move it around and make sure it's placed perfect. Then you're going to go to the menu at the bottom, slide to the right, and click on the icon Transform. Then click on the icon Flip H, that's horizontal. That'll get your second pic, your profile pic, to look at your front pic. And then you're going to move it around and make sure it's placed right. And the next step is you're going to click on Done when it's the perfect placement. Don't worry about it overlaying. The next step is we're going to erase the overlap so you can see both pictures. When you like it, go ahead and click on Done, and the next step is you're going to click on the eraser. That's going to change your first layer, the first pic, to red and allow you to use their smart eraser. You just kind of feather the edges. See what I'm doing? I'm deleting the top pictures so you can see the brim of the hat. And when you've deleted enough or erased enough to get that floating head profile look, I like to just get a little bit on the neckline there, and then it looks great. The next step is go ahead and put some text in there. This is an optional step, but I always like to add some fun text. Click on the text icon at the bottom and start typing. You can put whatever message you'd like in there. I usually try to make it look like Olin Mills 80s font or something like that. But have fun with it. You can make these as fun as you want. Once you have your words in there, it's time to go ahead and choose your font. Click on Fonts at the top, and they have a ton of fonts. Understand that there's about 3 or 4 free fonts in each one of these categories. If you would like to, you can upgrade your account, and I believe it's a per monthly fee. And then you'll place this in your picture. When your pictures and your text are perfect for you, go ahead and click on the export box with the arrow at the top corner, save your pic, and you're done. Now you're ready to start sending this out to your friends and family that you can make an awesome 80s style floating head portrait. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and like. And if you're in the market to sell or buy a home in Arizona, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you, your friends, or your family. Have a good one. Thanks.